Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope you are fine. I am engineer Rehanullah. My dear friend, my previous topic is about basic knowledge for steel estimation. Today my topic is about practical knowledge for site engineer. My dear friend, this topic is very important for all interview as well as for all test. If you want to learn these key points, please watch the video at the end. Now let's start. The first key point of my lecture is the water absorption a break should not be more than 20% by its weight. If the break absorbs water more than 20%, then this break cannot be used for construction work. The second key point, minimum bars per square column is 4 numbers and 6 number for circular column. Key points number 3, compressive strength of break is 3.5 Newton per millimeter square. 4. Leafing is not allowed for the bars having diameter more than 36 millimeter. 5. And steel reinforcement binding wire required is 8 kg per mt. Key point number 6. Prefall of concrete is allowed maximum to 1.50 meter. My dear viewers, if the placing of concrete is increased from 1.50, then the segregation is occur in concrete. What is segregation? The separation of concrete constituent from each other is called segregation. If the segregation is occur, this can decrease the strength of concrete. Key point number 7. Minimum thickness of slab is 1 to 5 millimeter. Key point number 8. Angular shape aggregate is good for concreting purpose. My dear friends, if the shape of aggregate is angular, this can make a good bond. If the shape of aggregate is rounded, this can increase the workability but decrease the strength of concrete. Key point number 9. For normal residential building, the normal size of coarse aggregate range from 10 to 20 millimeter. My dear friend, this point you remember in your mind. Key point number 10. Aggregate which are using in the concrete should be free from clay silt and other impurities. Key point number 11. Water used for both mixing and covering shall be clean and free from impurity such as oil, acid, alkali salt and other organic materials. Key point number 12. Chairs minimum of 12 millimeter diameter bars to be used. Chair required 1 meter or 1 number per meter square. Its mean per 1 meter square, the number of chair is required 1. Key point number 14. Cement shall be stored in dry places at site and its platform must be raised about 200 millimeter above floor level and 300 millimeter away from wall. Key point number 15. Dry factor for concrete work is 1.54 and 1.27 for mortar. Key point number 16. The volume of cement weight in cubic foot is 1.25 cubic foot, and cubic meter, the volume of cement bag is 0.035 cubic meter. Key find number 17. Density of steel is 7850 kg per cubic meter. Key find number 18. The pH value of the water should not be less than 6. That's enough for today. Inshallah, see you with another video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates.